Say hi, Grandma. Yeah? See, I'm playing with the truck. I got a runny nose. And it's very pretty out, so I thought I'd sit outside with my mommy and take a video and say hi to you. Say happy birthday, Grandma. Andrew, say happy birthday. Say we still got a little bits of the cough. Say happy birthday, Grandma. Happy birthday.